Hi guys, welcome or welcome back on my YouTube channel where it is all about Amazon KDP, publishing books and making money online. It's a new month, so it's time for another nice income report from my Amazon KDP business for the last month. February, the last income report was surprisingly good. We had almost 1,000 views on this video, so thanks for the support. I promise in the future there will come great videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's completely for free. It doesn't hurt you and helps me a lot to grow the channel. As I mentioned, we will now jump right into my Amazon KDP dashboard. We have a closer look on the sales. We have a closer look on the royalties and of course a closer look on the ad spend, because it's very important to show everything transparent to you guys. And now we will jump right into the sales history. Right now we are in my Amazon KDP dashboard, but I selected at first the month of January because it's important to make a comparison between January and February, because at the beginning of February I started to publish my books on international marketplaces like .com, UK, Australia, Canada, and so on. And therefore I used Jamsey.io. It's a great review platform to get reviews on your book after your launch. And in the future, in the next 2 weeks, I will publish a video because Jamsey updated the platform and we have now access to a great tool, to a great feature, especially for all publishers outside of Amazon.com. It will boost and change Amazon KDP business, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. So now we will watch the orders from February. As you can see, I was able to sell 844 books, so 240 books more because of the usage of Jamsey, of the publishing in international marketplaces. I increased the sales with a less amount of time because February we have 3 days less compared to January, and therefore I'm so happy. This were the royalties of January, 3,636. And as you can see, I also boosted highly my royalties with 4,746 euros or almost $5,000. So a lot of potential in publishing international book projects. If you're interested in Jamsey, there's a link in the video description, and very important, make sure that you are using the 30% discount. Okay guys, and after we had now a closer look on all the royalties, it's time for the ad spend. I can promise it's really interesting. I have a lot of good information for you guys. I published 3 new books on the German marketplace. Therefore, my ad spend on the German marketplace increased heavily. I translated 4 book projects and published it in English. I used Jamsey to get the reviews on the international marketplaces, and then for each of the 4 books, I started advertising on Amazon.com, Amazon UK, so United Kingdom, Amazon ZA Canada, and Amazon AU Australia. So absolutely crazy. At first, German marketplace. Ad spend, as you can see, 3,531 euros, ACOS a little bit high, 70%. But as I mentioned, I launched 3 new books, so it's completely normal that the ad spend is increasing, that the ACOS is not so good. So it's okay. Now, after launching the books, it's time to reduce all the costs, getting a good ACOS range and decrease the amount of ad spend. After the German marketplace, I've also ad campaigns on the French marketplace. As you can see, ad spend 155 euros. Then the new test with the new 4 book projects. Amazon.com ad spend $1,070. ACOS 69%. It's okay, but launching, as I mentioned, the ACOS is in every case high. Amazon Canada ACOS very good, 128 Canadian dollars, so I'm pretty happy with it. Amazon UK United Kingdom ad spend £300. The ACOS was miserable, so, and last but not least, Amazon Australia, great ACOS, 26%, ad spend $36. So now we will make the calculation, the accounting with all the numbers. We had 4,764 euros in royalties. We had 3,500 euros in ad spend on the German marketplace, 150 on France, 300 pounds in UK, 36 in Australia, 128 on Canada, and sadly $1,000 in America. Leaves me with a loss for the month of February with 350 euros. But to be honest, I'm okay with it because launching a lot of book projects is always cost intensive. It's completely normal that the ad spend is rising up, that the royalties are coming later in the next months. So 350 euros in a loss with, I don't know, 12 new book projects. I'm really happy. After I showed you my earnings from the last month, it's now your turn. Write a comment in the comment section down below how the month of February was in your Amazon KDP business, and don't be shy. It's completely okay if you had 1 book unit sold, 0 sales, 1,000 sales. Write everything in the comment section down below. As I mentioned, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because there are coming a lot of very nice videos. And do not switch off because I will link you 2 very nice videos. And then there's nothing more about to say. I wish you a very great day and we will see you in the next video.